Tonight we're taking a trip on the sleepy train to a lovely place called Beddington. The sleepy train is almost here, so let's get ready. Coming up high onto our tiptoes, we quietly tiptoe along the pillow platform. Oh, it feels all soft and squishy underneath our feet. Shh, 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 shh. We stand nice and tall as we wait for the sleepy train to arrive. Oh, and as we do, we feel a bit sleepy, so we gently nod our heads slowly up and down. Oh, just like we're nodding off. Oh, did you hear that? It's the sleepy train. It's arrived. Mr. Snuggins, the tortoise train conductor, calls all aboard. Let's do our sleepy train pose. Standing with our feet hip distance, arms by our side, we bend our elbows to point our fingers forward. Now we give a snoozy toot toot on the horn, and slowly we choo-choo away. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, off we go on the snoozy track. We roll our shoulders round and round. We lift them up and put them down. Oh, the dreamy steam rises, lifting our arms all the way up like big fluffy clouds, all soft and wispy as they drift into the night sky. Lowering our arms. First stop on the sleepy train is Lullaby Lake, where the bedtime fish live. Let's come to sit in our lake pose. On our bottoms, legs out wide, sitting up nice and tall. We slowly fold forwards to rest on our forearms, to listen to the lake's lovely lullaby. Isn't it beautiful? It makes us yawn. Sitting up nice and tall, we cross our legs as the train pulls away. We bring our hands onto our knees and we make slow, gentle circles from our waist as the train chugs on. And the other way. That's it. Ooh. A warm cup of hot chocolate arrives. Thanks, Mr. Snuggins. We hold the cup and breathe in the delicious smell. And we slowly blow to cool it down. We take a sip. It makes our shoulders feel heavy and our eyes feel soft. Up ahead is a bridge. Let's come to lie on our backs with our knees bent, feet flat and arms down by our side. Now we slowly lift our hips to go choo-choo over the bridge. Slowly lowering our hips all the way back down. The sleepy train weaves through a forest of crooked trees. Let's stretch our arms out wide and take our knees over one way and our head the other way as we listen to the trees whisper in the breeze. Shh. We switch sides, taking our knees over to the other side and our head the opposite way. And again, we hear the trees whisper. Shh. We come back to centre and look up to see a glass window in the roof of the sleepy train. And through it, we can see the stars. Let's stretch our legs wide to come into our sleepy star pose. We take a breath in and out. As the sleepy train arrives at its final stop here in Beddington. And together we whisper, our story is finished. Our journey is done. Our bodies are quiet. Good night, everyone.